And you have been trying to make this case to the Davos elite. I'm not even sure they've extended an invitation, the World Economic Forum, to you because you're a tobacco company, that you are trying to promote a smoke-free future. Is that resonating? Is that working on the global stage in this time of ESG and stakeholder capitalism?
For sure, it's resonating increasingly, I would say. As you know, in any innovation, there are always critics and opponents initially. But I think as, you know, smoke-free products are increasingly being adopted by people who smoke. And today our product, IQOS, has already more than 17 million people that bought it and switched out of cigarettes. I think the more consensus will be built that this is the right thing to do for, first of all, for the 1 billion smokers around the world and for public health in general. And I think the fact that more and more government agencies like the US FDA have reviewed the science behind these products, and they authorized initially as appropriate for public health, and recently under the modified risk tobacco product pathway is providing additional evidence worldwide that this is sound policy to accelerate the adoption of these products. Now,
why hasn't the FDA then ruled that, so sorry to cut you off, just with all of those proof points and now that you're starting to get the data, why hasn't the FDA ruled that smoking this is safer than smoking tobacco?
Well, first of all, the FDA has not reviewed. Well, I think the FDA has reviewed IQOS and heated tobacco products, and they are reviewing the e-vapor products. They have not yet finished the review of the e-vapor products. Now, for a fact, all of these products should be compared with cigarettes. If cigarettes are the most lethal way of delivering nicotine and taste to smokers, all products that are not combusting as a common denominator have at least 95% reduction in toxicity. So in the continuum of risk, I would say there is a cliff that is the absence of combustion. And all the products that fall in the non-combustible category are vastly better alternatives than cigarettes. And that's the key thing to retain for, the smokers that would not otherwise quit. Now, it's clear that heated tobacco products may be slightly more in certain toxicants than e-vapor products, 95% reduction compared to cigarettes versus 98, 99%. But the reality is they are much closer also to the taste of cigarettes, so they have much higher adoption rates. And worldwide, we're now in 63 countries with the heated tobacco product we have, and we see adoption rates 75% plus, which is 3 or 4 times the rate of adoption of cigarettes, and that's very important for public health. But the comparison here, again, is cigarettes, and it's an enormous reduction in toxicity.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.